All right, YouTube. Hello, welcome back. We're going to be doing a little bit of something different going forward. We're going to be doing some more shenanigan type stuff. We're going to be riding off road, doing it on this very nice, brand new 2017 Honda CRF250L. If you've been watching my videos for a while, and I'll tell you there's not very many of them, so that wouldn't take you all but about a half hour. But if you've watched my videos for a while, then you know that I ride a 2014 Triumph Tiger Explorer 1200cc Adventure Beast. And while I love that bike, it is perhaps the best bike I've ever owned. It is not for doing off-road riding. Let me repeat in case you missed that. It is not for doing off-road riding. I don't care what the book says. I don't care what the videos on the internet say. I don't care what the forums say. I don't care what any yahoo that your sister knows who's dating your brother's boyfriend says. Those bikes are not for off-road. So having said that so emphatically, let me tell you that they will go off-road, but they are not for it. You will drop that thing. You will hate your life. That bike, picking it up once is not so bad. Picking it up 3 or 4 times because you're trying to ride a 600-pound machine that carries all of its weight in the top end through Florida sugar sand is, I forgot where I started this sentence. Let me just say, it is not for off-road riding. But I could see, since I bought this down at my good friend's Gable's Power Sports in Wesley Chapel. If you're not familiar with Gable's, at 54 in the I-75 intersection, State Road 54 and I-75, I suggest you go down there and see them. They're good people. So that's a little shout out to Gable's. I went down there, walked in, knew what I wanted. I wanted this bike. I didn't want anything else. I didn't want a 650. I didn't want a 450. I wanted something that was street legal, small and light. Now, there was plenty of options to go through out there, but I didn't want any of them. I wanted a Honda. Honda is bulletproof. You know what you're getting. So here we are. We're going to do a little riding today up in Withlacoochee Clay Sink. And what I want to do now that we got this little fun bike, is I want to start doing more of the shenanigan off-road type videos. Because, you know, people want to have some fun. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to see how much trouble we can possibly get into on one bike with this bike. Now, when I say trouble, let me explain that. I don't mean the legal kind of trouble. We're not going to do anything stupid. We're not going to be breaking the law. We're going to do plenty stupid. We're going to make some bad decisions together. What I mean is we are going to have fun. Trouble as in dumping the bike, as in crashing the bike, as in blowing tires, as in foolish stuff. Stuff that you do with a dirt bike. Stuff that you probably shouldn't do at my age. I am not telling you how old that is. So, what is that going to look like? I don't know. We're going to start out by coming to places like this. This is the forest up in Green Swamp, basically. And I was up here right after I bought this bike. I made a couple of videos, but they didn't turn out. Something was wrong with the GoPro. I'm not even sure this video is going to turn out. But I was up here and it was flooded out bad. Like even this road right now that I'm on, this road was flooded out bad. It's now not as flooded out and it's gone back to being sugary sand. But there's still a lot of flooded out areas. So we're going to come up here today. We're going to run through some of them. I'm going to try to get some of the video footage that I got when I first had the bike. I mounted a GoPro mount out here, and I had the GoPro out there at first, but it's not really perfect. I got to figure out I got to find my other things. There's a little swivel mount that you screw into the GoPro, and it allows you to change direction. I got to change direction because that's kind of at a slant, so it's not going straight. It's kind of going out to the side. You know, it's kind of twisted like some of you people that watch YouTube videos. So we'll have to fix that. But right now you're mounted to the chin bar of the helmet. And maybe at some point here today I'll put you out there on the headlight just to give you a look for it. There's a little, let's go see what's down there. I'll just give you a little bit of a look to see what it's like. You know, if it's muddy out here, we might get some splashing. So let's take a look here, see what we got out here. Alright, let's go this way. So I don't know who lives in Florida that watches my videos. There's some mud. There's a lot of mud. The only thing that worries me about going through here, I shouldn't say worries, trucks. Trucks come up here, tear it up. Sometimes there's holes down in there that's like 6 feet deep. I don't know about you guys, but I don't care about losing my bike. I mean, I do care about it. I don't want to lose my bike. Crashing a bike's one thing. Losing it because some ass, I think I've got a mix of people. But this kind of riding out here, it's all right, but you need a good tire for it. And anybody that's got a Honda CRF250L might know that what they came with stock, they're not good tires. This looks like a single track. They're more of a 50-50 tire, and they don't really do too well in the kind of terrain that I'm riding a lot through here. So one of the things you got to also keep aware of when you're out here, huge. And it actually looks like very nice single track riding until you realize it's the walking trail. And you usually realize it when you come across a person walking on it. So, yeah, we'll do what we can. Back to the tires. I have a brand new set of Motos. What are they called? So tell me what you think. What do you think about this area, huh? Not many obstacles out here today. I mean, there's some water, but like I said, with those fools that take their trucks out here, and I'm talking they bring these jacked up Jeeps and pickup trucks. They have literally, I've seen them come out here and bury those vehicles. Water up to the hoods. Well, I don't know about you guys, but when I park my bike next to a truck, most of the time, the truck is taller than the bike. So on and so forth. If I go and take my bike into a hole that's been dug up by a truck that was buried, where do you think my bike's going to go? Completely underneath the water, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. So no, the little mud puddles will do. Not these mud holes that I can't see. Not these mud holes that I can't see. We're getting into some serious trail here. And it's fun. I have no idea where it goes. I have no idea how far down in the woods we're getting. I do know that if something were to happen... Oh, another bridge. What's this one say? You have got to be kidding me. I just made a big loop. No, Hunter Branch Bridge. Different creek. Same kid, different creek. Huh, okay. I gotta tell you, this kid's bridge building skills, or whoever it was, they seem to be all right. Kudos to the bridge builder. So the gearing on the bike, I made a change to that, and it's been a big help. I changed it from a 1440 to a 1340, and that's what we're running right now. It seems to have nice, good low-end torque. I'm doing most of this riding right through here in second gear. When I do more of a stop, I will go down in the first and come back up out of it real quick. But, oh, look at that, we're back out to a road. So, I think I'm just going to leave the 13 on. Stay. Don't fall. Stay. Well, I'm getting all dirty. Look at that muck. Beautiful. I love it. All right, so what do we got here? Oh, yeah. Nothing. That's what we got here. Nothing. That little one can stay. We're probably good the rest of the way. So, yeah, these tires here, you know, they're good for road. So, yeah, no good. No good, TST. Go buy yourself a DRC kit. Get their cover out that they give you. Copy it and start including it with your kit, and you'll sell more of them. Because honestly, your kit might be a little bit better, a little simpler. So you guys want to see the river? This, I think, is the Withlacoochee River. I think. This might be an okay spot. Let me see if the bike will stay up. Yeah, I think the bike will stay up. Stay. She fell down on me the other day. All right, so what do we got here? Let's take a look. Now, for you non-Floridians, if you ever wondered if gators existed, they do exist, and they are found in places like this. I don't see any here today. Yeah, there's probably some fish in here. I don't know that you'd want to eat any of it, but I bet there's some catfish in there. Probably some other things. But tell me this ain't just beautiful. Ain't this just beautiful? Listen to that. But tell me this ain't just beautiful. Ain't this just beautiful? Listen to that. Nothing. No, a mosquito. I hear a mosquito in my ear. Let's go take a look at the bike. There's the bike. There she is. Man, that was a huge spider's web. All right, so let's hold on a second. I'm gonna do something. Hold up. Anyway, I've had enough. I've rambled enough. I kind of wanted to get back on the bike and do some more riding. So, wanted to give you a view of what